Hello students, myself Bhupendra Singh Rawat. Today in this video, I will teach you how to make a fixture of knockout tournament. It is very easy to make a fixture, but you have to learn some formulas by heart. Then only fixtures will make easily. First of all, whenever you make a fixture, you have to take out buys. Distribution of buys I have told you before. Firstly, there is a procedure of buy when we have to take out buys. If the total number of team is power of 2, then buy will not given. For example, in power of 2, these numbers are there: 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, so on. So we can make picture easily. If total number of team is not in power of 2, then by will be given. How will take out by? However, total number of teams are participating. Next, 2 की पावर का नंबर क्या है? नेक्स्ट 2 की पावर के नंबर से टोटल नंबर ऑफ टीम्स को माइनस कर देते हैं. जो नंबर निकल के आता है, दैट इज नंबर ऑफ बाय. For example, we have to make a picture of 7 teams. So first we have to check that number of team is in the power of 2 or not. So 7 is not in the power of 2. Next in the power of 2 is 8. So 8 minus 7, that is 1. So 1 by is come out. So this procedure is to take out the buys. I will take one example more. If 11 teams are participating, so next to the power of 11 is 16. So 16 minus 11, how much? 5. So 5 buys are taken out. So this is the condition when we will take out buys. So there are the formulas that you have to learn. Method to determine number of teams in upper half and lower half when the number of teams is even. So formulas. Number of teams in upper half is equal to n by 2. N denotes to number of teams. Number of teams in lower half, n by 2. If number of teams is in odd, so formula is number of teams in upper half n plus 1 by 2. Number of teams in lower half n minus 1 by 2. Now, methods of determining the number of buys to be given in upper half and lower half. Number of buy in upper half. Number of buys upon 2. Number of buy in lower half. Number of buy upon 2. When number of buy is in odd, then formula is number of buy in upper half is equal to number of buy minus 1 by 2. If number of team in lower half is n, number of team plus 1 by 2. Now, if we have to make a picture of 8 teams, so first we will take out how many teams will be in upper half and how many teams will be in lower half. So we will put formula in upper half n upon 2. Number of teams, how many number of teams? 8 upon 2, that is 4. 4 team will be in upper half. Now in lower half, n upon 2, 8 upon 2, that is 4. 4 teams will be in lower half also. Now we will make a picture. First we will write all teams. How many teams are there? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First we will distribute the all teams in 2 halves by dotted line. How many teams we have taken out? That how many teams will be in upper half? 4. 4 4 will be in upper half and 4 will be in lower half. Now there will no need to give by. 1 and 2 in first round, first team and second team will fight. Third and fourth will fight in first round. 5 and 6 will fight. 7 and 8 will fight. What happens in knockout? जो भी टीम हारती है वो एलिमिनेट हो जाती है और जो टीम जीतती है वो आगे पार्टिसिपेट करती है। सो जैसे 1 और 2 में सेकेंड टीम जीतती है तो वो नेक्स्ट राउंड खेलेगी। वैसे ही थर्ड और फोर्थ में, फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स में, सेवन्थ एंड एट्थ में। सपोज फर्स्ट और टू सेकेंड में टू जीती है तो वो किससे फाइट करेगी? जो थर्ड और फोर्थ में जीती है, दैट इज फोर। ठीक, वैसे ही फाइव एंड सिक्स में, सेवन एंड एट में। देन इन सेकेंड राउंड सेकेंड एंड फोर विल फाइट अमंग दमसेल्फ। ठीक है, इनमें से जो जीतेगा वो फाइनल खेलेगा। वैसे ही सिक्स और एट में से जो जीतेगा वो फाइनल खेलेगा। ठीक है, जैसे सेकेंड जीती है और सिक्स जीती है तो फाइनल विल बी among second and sixth team. So if second team is winner, so winner is second. Got it? Like this, you will make a fixture in 8 teams. So it is very easy to make fixture when teams are in 2 to the power. Now we will make a fixture of 11 teams. First, we will calculate that how many teams will be in upper half, lower half by putting the formulas. So, first, total number of teams, that is 11. Now, we will take out number of matches. N minus 1 is formula. Number of N denotes to number of teams. So, 11 teams are there. 11 minus 1, that is 10. 10 matches will be there. Then we will take out number of teams in upper half and how many teams will be in lower half. We will put formulas. So number of teams in upper half n plus 1 by 2, that is 11 plus 1 by 2, that is 6. 6 teams will be in upper half. Like that we will take out that how many teams will be in lower half. Formula, number of teams in lower half, n minus 1 by 2, that is 11 minus 1 by 2, that is 5. So 6 teams will play in upper half and 5 teams will play in lower half. So then we will take out number of byes. Then we will put first formula. What is the formula? Next next to the power minus n. Next to the power is 16. 16 minus 11, that is 5. 5 byes we will give. Then we will distribute the byes in upper half and lower half. So we will put formula. Number of byes in upper half, formula is number of byes minus 1 by 2. Number of byes 5 minus 1 by 2 is 2. 2 by will be given in upper half. Number of byes in lower half, formula number of byes plus 1 by 2. 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 3. So 3 by will be given in lower half. Now we will make the picture. First, we will write all teams 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we will distribute the teams in two halves, lower and upper. How many teams? We have calculated that how many teams will be in upper half. How much? 6. So we will put one dotted line below the 6. So we have distributed the teams in two halves. 6 teams will be in upper half and 5 teams will be in lower half. Now we will distribute the byes. How many byes we have to distribute? 5. So first bye, where we have to give? You know, first bye we will give to 11 team. Why? Because first bye we have to give to the last team of lower half. Now where we will give to second bye? To the first team. Why? Because we have to give second bye to the first team of upper half. Third bye we will give to 7. Why? Because we have to give third bye to the first team of lower half. Now where we will give fourth by to the 6th team. Why? Because we have to give fourth by to the last team of upper half. In this sequence, we will give fifth by to the 10th team. Now, listen carefully. First round will not play. Those teams will get the byes. Got it? Now, in first round, we'll play second and third. And fourth and fifth, eighth and ninth, they will play among themselves. Yes. In second round, by teams will play. Suppose in first round, third team is winner. So first team and third team will play in second round. Like that, all byes team will play second round. Suppose here in second round, sixth is the winner. Here ninth is the winner. Here 11th is the winner. So third round they will play. Suppose third is the winner from this match and 11th is the winner. So final will be among third and 11th. So who is the winner in this final? Suppose third is winner. So winner is third. Like this, you have to make pictures as much as you can. Practice of making these pictures. And this is all in this topic. Thank you. Take care.